Hello and welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on human resource management. Today in previous videos we were discussing on what is human resource management, what is the role of a human resource manager, what is the need for human resource management, and what are the functions of human resource management. And the first and foremost we were discussing about the first and foremost function of human resource management, that is the HR planning. Now we will be discussing about the next function of human resource management, that is recruitment and selection process. So what do you think the basic difference between the recruitment and selection? So firstly, recruitment is the process of identifying the talents and needs from group of peoples. So whereas selection is that choosing the one best employee from the various picked out resumes. So this is the basic difference between recruitment and selection. So recruitment and selection is a process of actively searching and hiring applicants for the job role is known as recruitment, whereas the process where choosing a suitable applicants from the shortlisted candidate is known as selection process. Now we will be moving on to the 7 steps in recruitment and selection process. By following these 7-step recruitment process, we can able to find out and ensure the seamless performance of the organization, and it results in both candidates and colleagues smooth and free journey. So the 7 steps are: first is planning, analyzing, searching, screening, engagement, selection, onboarding processes. So firstly, planning process is most important. As we discussed priorly, planning is the most important stage. So simply a planning is not deciding that this is the need of the organization and we have to execute this. That is not what a planning is actually is. So first and foremost, for the planning stage, firstly we should identify what is the present need of the organization. What is the present stage of the organization? Where does this organization stands for? And secondly, we should look on to the future period. We have to forecast the future demand of the organization. What would be arising in the future, and is the present condition of the organization is stable to ensure those needs and demands, or else we are in need of recruiting new employees, or what are the steps that we have to make as a precautionary measures, and to ensure both our plan and the objective of the organization coordinates with each other. So this is the most important aspect in making a proper and effective planning. So first step in recruitment and selection process is planning, that what we discussed priorly in HR planning. We have to understand the need of the organization and to plan the manpower planning accordingly. Secondly, analyzing. Analyzing is that for the role, where let us assume we are hiring for the role of senior executive. In this case, we should have a senior marketing executive. In this case, we have to know the skills job description of the employee. What is the job description? What would be the role of those employees? So we have to hire the employee based on those requirements. An employee with good exceptional communication skill, an employee with a good negotiation skill, an employee with a good marketing skills, and with a good experience. So these are would be the gist of analyzing the right candidate. So the next stage would be the searching. Searching stage is that through various process and stages like advertisement, various platforms, we would be screening the employees like LinkedIn, Naukri, various job searching websites. We would be screening out the best employee, and we would select the right employee and onboard those employees into the organization. So with the right tools and requirements and well-planned recruitment process, you can attract and retain the best talent in the organization, in the sector, in a straightforward and cost-effective manner as well. So in this video, we were discussing about the selection and recruitment process, and previous videos Until this, we were discussing about what is human resource management, what are the steps and stages, process and procedures in an human resource management, what are the roles of a human resource management, what is the function of human resource management, different functions of human resource management, what is HR planning, need for a proper HR planning, an example of what is HR planning is, and what is recruitment, what is selection, what are the stages in recruitment and selection process, all this in these videos. And in upcoming videos we will be looking on to various other functions of human resource management and pros and cons of human resource management and interesting case studies on human resource management. So see you all soon in the next video, and thank you.